Hi everyone, here we've got HOMTOM S9 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down and tap on the display. Here we've got the wallpaper option, so simply tap on it, and here we've got 3 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We can choose it from our own gallery, from Google Photos, so this is actually again our gallery, and from the defaultly installed wallpapers. So let me pick this option, and as you can see here, we've got some defaultly installed wallpapers, as I said, from which we can choose. What's more, here we can tap on My Photos, and then we will be again transferred to our own gallery. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, all you have to do is simply tap on it, and you will see it right here. You can also tap on it in order to remove the remove other wallpapers. So if you're happy with your choice, all you have to do is simply tap on the set wallpaper option, and right now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so simply tap on it. As you can see, we just got back to the album, so let's check the home screen, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the home page. Let's check the lock screen, and it is also visible right here. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.